Hello. If you want to check battery level on your AirPods with iPhone, you can do this in two ways. So the first one is just open the battery case, the charging case, and wait for the notification. Here, as you can see, AirPods are on the 100% and the charging case is on the 51. But we can also do this from the widget screen. So click on edit. Click on the edit, and now we have to go to the more widgets and click on this marker to add the batteries. Like this, click on it done. And right now you just don't even have to open the case to check what is the level of the battery of the case and of the AirPods. And yeah, this is how it looks. I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.